Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by narrowing the search area and gathering essentials. You want to move fast. First, head to Bamboo Grove, 1/2 mile northwest of Willow Falls, because spawn patterns peak at dawn. While en route, arm your stealth cloak and pack 2 smoke bombs and 1 healing tonic so you can engage without retreating. Once you arrive, move in low stance and scan for carved bamboo markers. Those are subtle tracks the Demon Panda leaves, and they tell you which tree to inspect first. Once you spot claw marks and dark sap every 30 to 50 steps, follow them deliberately. They form a breadcrumb trail. Make sure to deploy a sonar flare at suspected clearings to reveal hidden lairs for roughly 12 seconds. Timing matters, so reserve 1 flare per area. When you find the lair, use a scent ball to bait the Demon Panda into a brief exposure window, then strike quickly to tag it. If it retreats, back off, reset camouflage, and repeat the bait strike cycle to avoid wasting supplies. You finish by securing the Demon Panda with a net, a tranquilizer dart, and a backup tether. Act calmly and speak softly so you don't trigger a panic response. Once subdued, mark the GPS location, log distinguishing traits, and extract within 20 minutes to prevent scavenger interference. If capture fails, don't chase blindly. Reposition 100 to 200 meters away, change the bait type, and try again after a short cooldown. A key troubleshooting tip: if detection fails, increase sonar flare strength and sweep at different elevations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.